Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or Rachel Amma. I hope you're all well, hope you're doing good. Today I thought I'd bring to this channel a costume that I made in the year. It's a Starbucks costume and I did wear it to a charity event day thing. So yeah, I got inspired by someone on Instagram, so I thought why not give it a go, because it looked quite nice. And plus, when I was making it, I didn't have much help online. I was looking for videos and stuff, but they didn't actually give me a detailed step-by-step tutorial. So I thought, you know what, why not? Let's give it a go. Let's show everyone how I made it step-by-step. And stay tuned. You're going to hear me throughout the whole tutorial. So yeah, like, get ready. But yeah, I'm going to take you through it step-by-step. Before we go on any further, just make sure you hit that subscribe button and subscribe to me, guys. It means a lot for your all your support and stuff that I get online. It really does make my day. I'm not even just saying that, it actually just put a smile on my face. But yeah, thank you for all those of you who have subscribed, and welcome back to everyone and anyone. So yeah, sit back and relax. And if you're one for DIYs, this is like a costume definitely for you. So yeah, let's get into this. I'm not sure which one to use to put the cream on, because Starbucks is like known for being green. Firstly, we're going to start by making the foam. Just a heads up, this is on like time lapse, so when I'm like explaining it to you, I might be like a bit behind, a bit too forward. You know how it all goes. But basically, we're going to start off by making the foam. I just want you guys to cut out circles, cut out quite a bit. Because basically we're going to need 2 circles to make one foam pair, if that makes sense. So firstly, like I've done in the video, I folded the circles in half, then folded it again, so into a quarter. Put a marking of the pencil on it just to see where the glue's going to go. And then when you get that marking, squeeze the glue together. Hold it and like firm it down and pat it down so all the glue like can dry. And then you get your second sheet, draw a line like there, and place the original foam that you did in the beginning inside and squish it together. Basically, this looks like a flower. Yeah, it looks like a flower thing going on, and we just want to stick it together and make it into a flower looking thing. So hopefully the video gets it where I'm not explaining it right, but we're gonna make a couple of these, so go ahead and watch and see how I do it. There is no like direct method, but the flower looking foam things that we're making, they resemble ripples of cream and foam. So you see when you get like whipped cream and you spray it all over like your dessert or like your milkshakes or whatever, and that little swirly curls that you're getting, as you can see like from the top of the foam, that's the kind of effect that we're having on it. For example, I was online looking on how to do these things and no one kind of explained it. So I know I'm a bit crap at explaining, but I just hope this video really gets through to you. So, as you can see on the top of the foam things, there's like a nice ripple effect going on. So can you imagine that like all over the top of your outfit? It will actually look like foam. So like keep going. Heads up, you might need to make like 50 of these, because you know what, they're quite small. They're really tiny. So can you like imagine like having loads of them, the effect that will have of like having nice little ripples of cream and foam. So yeah, go ahead, have some fun making these. In Starbucks, or if you even go to like any coffee store, or actually in Starbucks, when they give you those lovely like frappuccinos or like lattes or whatever nice creamy coffee drink they do, when they squirt the foam all over and they give you and they put it in a cup, that's literally what we're really going for. That's the effect that we're going for in the long run. So yeah. actually ended up making like a good 50 of these, I think. I need to put the correct number up, but yeah, I made loads basically. And now like I'm gonna stick it onto the neck. So here are some big ones that I did earlier. And yeah, like here I'm just marking out with pencil where I want to put them first. So with the top, this is like the front facing bit, so this is where what everyone will see. Just, you know, randomly glue them down, use a glue gun, put a generous amount on because you want it to like stick there and stay there for long. And just place the swirls wherever you really want to put it. So yeah, just keep going, keep adding them in and see what that gets you. With the swirls, I didn't go all the way around. Like, I didn't go all the way around to the back of my neck. I only went halfway. So for example, where the lines are. So as you can see, the place where there's no swirls, that's literally the back of my neck. Because I didn't want there to be too much uncomfortableness, or I didn't want to have too much trouble putting it on my head. You know, like when you put it on. Right now with the logo, we're just going to glue it on. I marked it out before because I wanted it to be perfect when I put it on. Literally just get the glue gun, squirt the glue all over underneath it. But a mistake I did do with this was that I put too much on and then it dried in the process. So yeah, I placed it on like that, and then when it came to like actually sticking, some of the sides weren't gluing on properly. So I do recommend that you work really fast with this, and as soon as you glue it, stick it down, and just, yeah, when it's hot, like use it, like stick it down when it's hot. Okay, next we're gonna do the headband, right? And yeah, literally, if you saw it before, I had to strip it of all its, like all that fancy crazy carnival thing that was going on there. So yeah, I stripped it, cut out a strip of felt, of green felt, and yeah, I'm gonna glue this to the headband. With the straw part of our costume, yeah, I cut like a bit of felt and rolled it on basically. So as you can see, I put on the glue on both ends and rolled the roll onto it basically. So this is going to represent our straw, and when you're done, just pull it over and make sure everything is all tight and sealed. After we've done this, we want to attach this straw, this kitchen roll thing, to our headband. So when we're done, we're just gonna strip it on, or actually just glue it on and like stick it on so it's so firm and tight. here we're going to do some work on the back of the dress. Like here I wanted to really like copy what the Starbucks cups actually say. Like when you, I don't know if you guys have ever been to Starbucks and then they write your name on the cup and they give you options to tick from. I just really wanted to like copy that example. So I drew some boxes. I really wanted it to be neat, so I used a ruler and a Sharpie marker, just basically any old marker, and I started writing the stuff that you'd expect on, you know, the back of a normal coffee cup. So like on Starbucks it says decaf, milk, syrup. It's got all these options. I think it's got custom as well. What's next? Shots. Yeah, like all those like office workers Americano shots, and yeah, custom at the top. That's what I remember. But yeah, I do remember that they always in Starbucks sign your name. Oh yeah, and they always tick the option that you want. So I went ahead and copied that. Yeah, there's me writing Rachel with a love heart. And yeah, here we have it, finished look. Yeah, I got my sister to video me a couple of times. Just wanted to show you guys how it came out looking. Yeah, watch me dance around. So yeah, I hope you guys really enjoyed this tutorial. Make sure you thumbs up this video, give it a massive thumbs up. Share this video as well. The best thing to do is share it to anyone else who needs like help with DIY stuff like this. But thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe, my lovelies, and yes, I'll see you in my next one. Take care guys, bye.